Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make hedgehog cookies. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start by putting in a blender soaked almonds. They should soak for at least 8 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Now soaked dates. They should soak for at least 2-3 hours. In their case, pay attention to the pits they may have inside. We blend everything together to make space for the rest of the ingredients. We add some water so the nuts and dates will crumble better. To the mass we also have to add some cinnamon and salt. We blend everything again. If the mass turns out to be too thin, we can add some coconut flour. Now we can form shapes we want. We take about a tablespoon of the mass and shape it. When we already used up all the mass, we can make spikes. We use for that small pieces of almonds. Just leave space for the face. Nose and eyes we can make out of raisins. And it's ready! Bon appetit!